So this is an A4 paper. You're gonna need to make a paper airplane. First, we're gonna fold it in half. Now we open it and fold it like this. And we do the same thing on the other side. Well, like this, I mean. Now we fold it like this, kind of like in half. Make sure these doesn't overlap like this. Now we're gonna do the same thing we did before. Fold it like this. Next, we're gonna open this up, fold it like this. See? Do the same thing on the other side. Now, once you fold them in, you're gonna take this thing, put it like this. Next, you're gonna fold it like this. Why isn't it? Now you're gonna fold it like this. Mr. Electric Man. There you have it, one paper airplane. Thanks for watching.